Hi, I'm Cy, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Starfrit MightiCan can opener. We're going to see how it works. I'm going to tell you about why I like this type of can opener, and we're going to compare it to another one that is the same kind of can opener, and I'll show you why I like this one better if it does the job as good as it seems like it can do. Here's a close-up of the Starfrit MightiCan can opener. What I really like about this kind of can opener is you can see here, it opens the can from the side, not from the top. So there's no sharp edges and the lid doesn't drop inside. You could just pull it off. And what's special about this one is that it actually is supposed to take the lid off at the same time that it finishes opening up the can. To put this in perspective, we were needing a new can opener. We had this one, and this one opens the cans the same way. This clamps between the lid and the outside, and as you turn it, it goes around the outside just like the Starfrit does, but this one's been wearing out and it hasn't been doing as good of a job. And also at the end, once you've completed cutting the can on the outside, you have to use this little pincher to get it off, kind of like this. So it's an extra step, and because this was wearing out, we were looking for a new one and we discovered the Starfrit MightiCan can opener. I'm pretty sure it's going to take the lid off at the same time that it finishes cutting the can. So let's go ahead and clamp it on. Feels nice the way it clamps on. And it turns really easy. And there it is. It takes the lid off for you, so you don't have to do the extra step, and then you just release it like that. So yeah, I am very impressed with the Starfrit MightiCan can opener. Let's go ahead and compare how the other can opener does, so you can kind of just get an idea. I'll go ahead and open up this can. Also, this one is old, and we were looking for a new can opener of the same style. You can see this one is really not doing the greatest job. Okay, so I think I finally got it. You can see why we needed a new can opener. So you can see this one grabs like this and then pulls the lid off. So it's an extra step, and that's kind of why I like the Starfrit. So I can definitely say I am impressed with the Starfrit MightiCan can opener. It did an excellent job opening up the can as you witnessed. Based upon what I've learned from looking at other reviews, it seems like this can opener lasts for a long time. For me, it did a surprising job on how easy it went around the can and then just popped the lid off. I am very impressed, and I feel very good about recommending the Starfrit MightiCan can opener. So I hope you liked my review of this Starfrit MightiCan can opener. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support me, please use the links in the description to purchase or scan the QR code you see in the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't